power supply, CPU cooler, graphics card from my old PC, my hard drive from my old PC as well, CPU, RAM, and the motherboard, this one, and then the case. I didn't really pick out any of this. I went to like memoryexpress and then they just picked it out for me. The guy was supposed to give me like a Ryzen 5600X, but then I was like, oh, I was actually looking at this CPU over here as well. So he changed it to this one, and he changed it to this one, and the price went up by $300. So yeah, and then I told him about this case. I was like, yeah, I want this case actually, and he was like, you do know this is like a third of your budget, right? And then I was like, yes, but I got it anyway. I think this is the only RGB in this build. I wanted to do liquid cooling, but the guy said that this case is actually pretty good for like air cooling, and he said it was harder to like put in liquid cooling and stuff, so whatever. For my first build, this is pretty good. I will be upgrading the graphics card though to like a 3060 Ti, so yeah. Okay. Hey, I did it. Let's go. Alright, so I had to take a bit of a break from recording because my storage was running out, but I did install the CPU cooler brackets. I had to like flip the motherboard over, like so that it would be standing from like on this. Then I had to install it from the back or whatever. And then yeah, these are the brackets. And yeah. Why isn't it? There was a cap on it. Okay, now I can do it. Oh. Okay. Yeah. That is very bad. Okay, maybe I just have to like pinch it a little. And then I am so bad. That's definitely a bit better. I don't want to pinch off anymore, just because like it's kind of sketchy. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. And then the other side. All right. Let's go. Okay, now what? Did I do it? Oh, now I did. Okay. Okay, that's also done. All right. Okay, I didn't record it, but I spent quite a bit of time trying to like cable manage. I was just like trying to loop the fan cables around the fan here and then connect it to there. I have some cables running down the middle in between the two RAM sticks that I have. Hopefully that's fine. I think I'm done with the motherboard. So now I'm gonna have to put it in here. Yep, it's in here. Okay. Apparently these rubber things are supposed to stay on. I managed to put one back in, but this one I can't put back in because this one is stuck. This cable is stuck, the USB 4.0 or whatever it is. And I've heard that it's known for like getting stuck or something. So working. It's working. It's working. There's no way. There's no way. Oh my. Hopefully. Oh. Oh. It remembers my. Oh.